In my first video of 2019, I said what I was going to do for 2019, which was to branch out into other areas of making money online, which is technically what my intent of my channel is in the first place. Now, I did get stuck on Etsy for a long time because Etsy is it's so huge that each online niche, I will never run out of video ideas. So I just wanted to talk about for a minute how to find your tribe, and that's what this video is going to be about today. Now, if you cannot afford to hire like a business mentor or something like that, you don't have to actually know the person. I found my mentors right on YouTube. The first one that I remember coming across was Gillian Perkins. Now, I remember when she had about 17,000 subscribers, and she has really always been, goal-oriented since she was in high school. Since then, she has really taken off in all areas of her business from where she started. I highly recommend that you check out her channel on YouTube, Gillian Perkins. She is very organized. She explains things definitely in ways that you can understand. She's very professional, and I just really enjoy her videos. They have helped me tremendously. So, finding your tribe, you don't always have to actually know the person. You can just, watch their videos and get empowerment just by watching them. Another mentor, this is probably not going to be a surprise because everybody knows Gary Vee. Okay, Gary Vee, I love this guy so much because he is straight to the point. He gets right to it. Unlike Gillian, he is more just cutthroat, get right to it, get to the point. And he is a serial entrepreneur, and he has grown from a YouTube business and helping his parents' wine business into actually growing his parents' wine business. And he also owns Vayner Media. So he has really done that, and I think I read the last time his net worth is now at about $180 million. So he has really come a long way. So I highly recommend checking out Gary Vee. Now, I am going to warn you, he does cuss a lot. It doesn't bother me. If it doesn't bother you, definitely check Gary Vee out. The next one that I want to talk about that was a huge influence on getting my YouTube channel started is Sunny Lenarduzzi. Now, I feel like even though I don't know her, I feel like I do know her because her personality is just a little bit more, it's real free-spirited. She is fun, and she really gets into the nitty-gritty on how to start a YouTube channel. So if you're really wanting to start a YouTube channel, I highly recommend that you start watching Sunny Lenarduzzi. She usually posts a video, I think it's like every Tuesday, I believe. Now, I will tell you that she is a high believer in taking breaks from social media. She will tell you, get off of YouTube. Delete your social media apps. And she will tell you that you have to clear your mind sometimes and take a break and a step back from your business so that you can recharge and stay focused. So I really enjoy watching Sunny. She's got a lot of informative information. If you go back to her first videos, she will show you how to start a YouTube channel with books and a phone. So, and lighting with a window. Completely free, other than the cost of your phone. Okay, another big mentor for me, and she only had a high school diploma, is Rachel Hollis. Now, Rachel isn't so much really into YouTube. She does other things. She writes books, and is what made her famous was her book, Girl, Wash Your Face. And she really is an inspiration to me, empowering women, you know, to get out there and get up and keep going. She'll tell you it's going to be hard. It's not going to be easy. Now, I follow her on Instagram as well. And let me tell you how famous she has gotten now. Her book, Girl, Wash Your Face, became a New York Times bestseller, and she now has another book that is out or about to come out called Girl, Stop Apologizing. So she is very inspirational, and her husband, Dave Hollis, they work closely together, and I also follow them on Facebook, and they do like a live feed almost every day. And if she is out traveling the country for, you know, some sort of a motivational speech event or something, then her husband Dave will take over and he will actually do the live feed. So they work very well together. They have children, and this woman is absolutely amazing. She is about as authentic and real as they get. So that is what I have to say about finding mentors. Now, my mentors that I just mentioned to you may not be the same mentors that you would like for your business. You may find different mentors that, you know, are helpful to you. So I call this my tribe. So I am subscribed to all of their channels: Gary V, Sunny Lenarduzzi, Gillian Perkins, and I follow Rachel Hollis on Instagram. So, you know, just because those are my mentors, they may not be for you and for your business. So, for example, if you run an e-commerce business of some sort, you may want to try to follow somebody else. You know, it just really depends. Also, by the way, news, I just recently completed my certification on certified in a professional life coach, and I am going to be doing some business coaching, and I would also like to travel to places of employment and teach companies, employees about work and home life balance. So I really have just a passion for that, and I also have a passion for public speaking. I also wanted to mention I do have 2 Facebook groups. If you have not yet already joined this Facebook group for Etsy Passive Income, if that's what you would like to do, please hop over and join this group. This is my group right here. One of the members of my group, she actually designed a new cover photo for me, and I really liked it a whole lot. Thank you so much for doing that. And we are very active in this group, and I'm very active in it as much as I possibly can. I do have a lot of moderators that also help me, so the board is being watched almost 24/7. I think I've got a moderator in the UK, and then I have people like on the West Coast. I am on the East Coast, or Eastern Standard Time. So I do have people on the West Coast. So the board is pretty much monitored 24/7. Also tonight, just an hour ago, I just started a new group, and I really invite everyone to come over and join it because I only have a few members as of right now. I literally made the group at 1 o'clock in the morning, and it is now 2:28 a.m. and I need to go to bed. I have no idea why I'm still up. Okay, so that's one group you can join that goes along with my channel. The other one is the Boss Up Society. The reason that I created Boss Up Society is because I really want everyone that no matter what type of business that you have, whether it be Etsy, whether it be an e-commerce store, whether you are some sort of life coach, or if you are a business mentor, or if you are a marketing strategist, no matter what type of business you have, a photographer, whatever it is, I invite you to come over and join my group. Now, you do have to, answer the questions, and you do have to, I don't allow any spam in either of my groups. Now, I do allow you to post links to your website or your listings or whatever it is that you do, if you're doing it for the sole purpose of either asking for help, sharing your story on how you got started, the struggles that you went through, or the struggles that you are currently having, so that other people can jump in and help with that as well. So I really wanted to create a community of people that would stick together and really help each other out. I know that my Etsy passive income group, everyone there is so friendly and willing to help, and I couldn't ask for a better group of people, honestly, and I've made a lot of new friends along the way. Mary, you know who you are. So, please join my new Facebook group, the Boss Up Society, and we would love to have you. I only have just a few members right now, 7 members, because I did just create this group, like an hour ago. So anyway, that's all for today. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, or hop over here to the Boss Up Society, join my group, or join both, Etsy Passive Income or the Boss Up Society. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.